is somebody listening to me tonight. You've prayed the same prayer for years. You cried when nobody was watching. You smiled in public, but wept in secret. But I hear the Spirit saying, the delay was not denial. The God who made the promise has not forgotten your name. I don't know who this is for, but before this song is over, may heaven remember you. I've been waiting by the river, holding on to what you said. Some nights faith was all I had, as tears were falling from my bed. Lord, you promised me a future. You promised joy after pain. So I'm standing on your word tonight, though my eyes have cried like rain. And every promise you have spoken cannot return to you in vain. So I remind my soul again, Yeshua, remember your word to me. Yeshua, remember your promises. You said you would never leave me. You said you would make a way. So here I am, still calling, Yeshua, remember me today. Gave up on me. Some said it would never come, but they don't know the God I serve, and they don't know where my help comes from. Every tear has been recorded, every prayer has reached your throne, and even in my silent seasons, you have never left me alone. Somebody lift your hands. The God of the God of Isaac, He remembers covenants, He remembers tears, He remembers prayers. Yeah, I hear chains breaking, I hear doors opening, I hear testimonies coming. Oh Yeshua, Rabashandala, Yelele Bosata, Rakatala Bakande. I still believe, I still believe. Yeshua, my answer is coming. Yeshua, Yeshua, my season is changing. Yeshua, Yeshua, Yeshua. Father, somebody listening right now, they've carried this burden for too long. Let this be the night you answer. Let this be the season you remember them. And when you do it, take all the glory. Because you never fail. Never fail. Never fail. Yeshua, remember your word. Yeshua.